Rozey K9 Farm. This is a litter of standard poodle puppies. We still have 2 browns and 2 blacks that are available in this litter. They are 6 weeks old here. These are all the females, and these are the that's all I have left in this litter are girls. I'll see if I can. They're very active, playful, so we'll see if we can get some of them in action here. This one's orange collar. Oh, well, there she goes. That one is frozen. She's still available. This one is blue collar Elsa. She's still available. She's black. The other black is red collar girl here, Arendelle. She's available. So red and blue that are black. This one is orange collar. She's a brown frozen. She's available. Hi. This is Gerda, yellow collar. She's spoken for. All right, guys. Little Anna here, and she's spoken for. And then we have green collar girl. Come here, Bulda. Right there, and she is available, and she's a brown. So we are Rozey K9 Farm. That's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com. And you can contact us at 616-892-1993. We love to give you some information on these wonderful standard poodle girls that are available. And otherwise, I do have, these ones are ready to go December 7th, or around that time. And otherwise, I do have some younger ones in a couple of other litters that you can find on my website. And I can otherwise give you information on those ones as well. So let's see, who do we got here again? Elsa. And this one is Gerda. Here's Anna. Got your little tail wagging today. This one is Arendelle. There's Frozen with the toy. And Bulda there. And then Anna. Frozen, leave her alone. That one's Gerda, and she's spoken for. And then we have the other little black girl here. This is Elsa. Here's Arendelle. So these are the 3 blacks, and 2 of them are still available. And then we have the 2 chocolates that are browns. We have Frozen right there, who's still available. And then we have, she's gonna do a poopy over there. That one's Frozen. There's Elsa. The green collar girl. She's the brown. She's still available. And now it's Arendelle. Hi, Gerda. Alright, so we are Rozey K9 Farm. Check out our website for more information and individual pictures. And otherwise, like I said, I do have some younger ones that are ready to go later in December. As you can see, we're staying very busy with them as they're up and active and running all over now. Alright, guys. Okay. So thanks for visiting. Oh, are you? Okay, say bye. Bye for now.